Hi guys, another little rundown on some new items that have come in. Just a quick one. This is something I haven't seen before. I saw it listed on Trumpeter's website as part of their master tools and didn't really know what it was about. What it is, it's a series of circles, but they've got, they call it detailing sets. So I guess you can use it and add it on to all sorts of things. It's not connected to the parts, so you don't have to worry about cutting parts off or anything like that. Just beautiful circle sets. So it's like, this one is got a circle with a line in it, so I guess you could use it as a fastener or something like that. This one's just a circle, so you could use it as nuts and bolts and washers or whatever you wanted to use. This one's a double circle, so I don't know how that one's going to work, but the backing is adhesive, so you just peel it off. But to glue it on, you need to use something like super glue or something like that. But it's just little detailing pieces and things like that. This one's a circle with a bar in it, so it could be a pull-up system or whatever. Great for science fiction modelers, I think. I'm not sure what the others would use. Armour modelers might use the circle with the notch in it and things like that. But I reckon sci-fi modelers and people who just want to add some detail to their models, again, just use the super glue, made of stainless steel. Just really nice, just something really odd. So they're about $7.99, and as you can see, you get quite a lot on it, so should keep you busy. And it's all different sizes too, so you got large right down to small. That's an interesting one. From we've got some new ones just come in. This is the PM1 flame throwing tank, prototype 1. I think it's Soviet, pretty sure it's Soviet, so there's that one. Sturmgeschütz 38T on the chassis, there's that one. And we've got Sturmgeschütz Flamewerfer, which is that one. There's also been we've had quite a big restock of and everything else. I'll show you that later on. So that's just come in. From A Model, this is the little, if you look, just interested in some civilian between the war type of stuff, these are quite nice. This is the Taylor GT1 and GT2. There's 2 kits in there, so you've got plenty to play with there. Just love some of these aircraft that are coming out in the civilian world. This is the Eclipse 400. This is another little lighty aircraft, V-tail. I believe it's a jet. Yeah, it's a jet. So if you're looking, again, if you're just looking for civilian aircraft and you want to play around with them, it's not a bad little kit, not that big, so be quite interesting to build. So add to your civil collection. I've never seen one, so I don't know if they're flying in Australia, so there you go. From A Model, these aren't necessarily new, but they're new to us. So this is the Dornier 26D. This is the German flying boat just prior to World War II. Was used through World War II. Fairly big aeroplane, fairly big model. There's the fuselage just in there, you can see it. So comes with a couple of choices of markings. Usual standard of A Model, so you've got to do a little bit of work and a little bit of tidy up as usual, so that's different. And if you're into helicopters and you're looking for that sort of big crane type aircraft, here's the latest one. This is a Mil 10. Again, nice kit, usual standard of A Model, but they do such different things, so it's all pretty good. So this is that's the fuselage. Looks like 1 or 2 choices of markings, both Soviet, but big stalky looking aircraft, so could be quite interesting. So that's also just come in as well. They're in store. Drop in and see us when you're ready. See you then. Bye.